Hello everyone, I am Rashid from Computer Sciences Department Uet Lahore, and I am gonna tell you my first semester journey at Uet Lahore. Everyone has an aim in his life, and my goal is to become a computer scientist. And at my undergrad level, I think UIT is best place for it. After the commencement of classes of first semester, we have to work creatively in every context, learning C++ and think computationally, creatively, and logically. We have given much load by our course instructor Dr. Avas Hassan. We have to make games, business applications, and solve versatile problems. And a man who really want to learn programming can really enjoy that. After doing such a versatile problems and making a business application and a game, I thought I can really do programming. Let's do at my work that I have done in my first semester.
We start our programming by simply printing welcome to UT on the console. After it, we print different figures on the console. To develop our logic, we made simple console-based program like even and odd separators. After it, we made a business application, IoT another database management system. This system consists of different features like sorting features, searching a specified citizen from the whole database, and drawing a pictorial graph on the basis of sorting information. This system requires a login and password to enter. After the midterm, we started two-dimensional array to develop matrix calculator which perform operations. After it, to understand the gravity and Hall effect, we made application. I made a shooting small game. Then we made a Pac-Man game to understand the basics of a game development. This game consists of an intelligent ghost and random ghost, and a Pac-Man which is moving. After it, we start web development on the introductory level. I made UET admission page. This was just on the introductory level. Our game development start and we make tic-tac-toe game. This is a two-user game, and if one of the row, if one of the column, and one of the diagonal matches, the player won. Then we made a application that gave instruction to exit the car from the two-story building. Adventure of Ronin game. In this game, we have to collect diamond to win the game, and the sliding move up and down, and we have to escape from all the machine gun. Random ghosts which are firing. And we learn how to store the data in struct, and we made application to store the football player data. Ensure this data on the console as well as search any football data. Designed by using custom data type. We learn how to store data dynamically by using linked list, and this program student data section can store the data in vertically and horizontally. Student with different subjects is stored on the same row while different students are stored on a different column. It was a complex task. It takes a lot of time, but we have tackled it. I have made it. It was the last concept that we have studied in first semester.
As our second semester commenced, we started learning object-oriented programming. First of all, we convert all of our C++ programs into C#. After it, we learned in object-oriented programming how to develop a separate business logic, data logic, and user interface. We did 6 projects regarding this, which include UMS, Stations, Coffee Shop, Pac-Man game, ocean navigation system, and many more. We also done documentation of the 6 scenarios in which we have developed their domain models, class diagrams, and sequence diagrams. Showing you some class diagrams. Our project in graphical user interface, it was a great motivation for the student of the second semester like me. We have done a great work in developing the graphical user interface project. We include different features in this, like search feature and viewing the statistic of different cities in graphical user interface. After developing business application in GUI, we move toward developing games in graphical user interface in Windows form. We have assigned an individual game project. I chose this Witcher of Wild game, and it was an amazing game developed in Windows form. We have done a great struggle to develop this game, every student has different game theme. To get the key and go to the door to obtain the next level. After doing remarkable work in Windows Form, after developing the games in graphical user interface, we moved toward Python. We learned the basic of Pythons. At the end of the first year, I can say that Computer Sciences Department of Uet Lahore make us capable of making business application and games in CLI or graphical user interface and developing different websites. And I am suggesting to my juniors that they should join Computer Sciences Department of Uet Lahore if they are willing to become a computer scientist, because the course curriculum of this department is amazing and make you capable of competing in the modern market. And moreover, the QS ranking of this department in the world lies below than 300 top universities in the world.